Reading for January 1st, 365 Days of Richer Living, Daily Inspirations, by Ernest Holmes and Raymond Charles Barker. Reading using gender-neutral language. I am resolved to see the good in every one and in every event. For what fellowship hath righteousness with unrighteousness? And what communion hath light with darkness? 2 Corinthians chapter 6, verse 14. Question: Is ignorance produced by anything? Answer: No, by nothing. Ignorance is without beginning. The origin of pain can be traced to ignorance, and it will not cease until ignorance is entirely dispelled, which will be only when the identity of the self with Brahma, the universal spirit, is fully realized. The Raja Yoga Philosophy. Rabbi Ishmael answers, Not God, but ye yourselves are the creators and supporters of moral evils. The Talmud. Light can have no union with darkness. Evil has no affinity with good. If good is the great reality, while evil is the great negation or denial of reality, then it follows that we should see the good in everything and recognize the apparent evil merely as a theoretical opposite of good. There is not God and something else. The divine spirit inhabits eternity, overshadows everything, including human events, indwells our own soul, and is released through our own act. To see good as evil is to becloud our vision, to obstruct the pathway of our progress, and to cast a shadow across the sun of righteousness which, Swedenborg tells us, is forever at an angle of 45 degrees in the heavens. This spiritual sun was the guiding star which led the Magi of old to the place where the little child lay. That is, to the place of good in our soul, to the presence of God at the center of every person's being. The humility of the manger is the commonplace in every person's life. It is here in the commonplace that we must find the good, and finding it here, we shall also discover that the larger issues of our experience are overshadowed by the same good which we have discovered in the commonplace. I am resolved today to see the good in every one and in every event. I shall call upon the good and shall refuse to accept that anything other than good can come into my experience. In this way, I will be praying to the good through meditating upon it.